Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Square root.
What does the dictionary say?
A quantity of which a given quantity is the square.
Math rap.
The square root of a number is the value that, when multiplied by itself, gives you a number. In fact, of the number 16, 4 is the square root. The proof is found when 4 times 4 you compute.
Math rap.
If a circle cheers for the red team and the triangle likes the blue team, for which team does the square root? My uncle kept driving us around the block over and over again. I think he was trying to teach us about square roots. Explain square root in your own words. What are the square roots of 4, 16, 63, 81, and 100? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your Math Minutes rock!